Hello everyone! Here is a quick guide to the conditional type zero. Now, the zero conditional expresses two connected facts. For example, if I have some spare time, I usually read a book. Fact number one, I have some spare time. Fact number two, I read a book. I could also say, I usually read a book if I have some spare time. Notice that when I start with what is called the if clause, so the half of the complex sentence that begins with if, I need to separate it by comma. But when I start with the main clause, so the half of the sentence that does not contain the word if, I don't need a comma. Punctuation, checked. In terms of structure, simple as it can be, both have and read are in the present simple. So in the if clause, we use present simple, and in the main clause, once again, present simple. And when you don't feel like saying if, you can replace it with a synonym. For the zero conditional, the synonym is when. When the weather is nice, I like to take long walks. Of course, there are 3 more conditional types and a few mixed ones. If you are interested in all of them, you can watch the longer cover video. But if you want information about each and every one, you should watch the individual, dedicated videos to each type. Enjoy learning English!